Hi everyone, so I'm in our building on Lowthian Road that we are turning into one-bed apartments. We've got 4 one-bed apartments being built in here as we speak, so I'm going to take us around and show you what's happening. So ground floor, we have entrance to flat number 1. Obviously it's a bit messy at the moment, but they are going to look super nice. Here's the kitchen all in. So this will be the lounge / kitchen, so all open plan. And then you've got a nice bay window there as well. So lots of light coming into this ground floor apartment, lots of space for your sofa, coffee table, TV, all that jazz. And again, so here's your kitchen. So you've got a built-in oven, hob, extractor fan, and then lots of cupboard space there as well. Okay, and then your bedroom will be through here. So again, you've got a lovely big bay window, lovely laminate flooring all throughout the building, all brand new. And then you'll have your bathroom here. Doesn't look like much at the minute, but this will be your bathroom. And then you've got a huge shower space there as well. So I will stop this video. I'll go upstairs and I'll show you one of the other apartments. Okay, so we've come up the stairs and this is on the first floor, what would be apartment number 3. So as you come into your open plan kitchen lounge area. Now this apartment's probably my favourite in the building out of the 4, just because of the size of this lounge and all the light that you get in this one as well, obviously with the 3 windows. Okay, so please excuse the mess. Like I say, you've got your 3 windows letting lots of light in, and then you've got your kitchen just there. So you've got, again, your oven, your hob, your extractor fan, cupboard space, and space for a washing machine as well. And then I assume your fridge freezer would just go in that corner there. Again, you've got brown laminate all throughout into your lounge and your bedroom. So bedroom entrance just through here. So plenty of space for a double bed, wardrobe, set of drawers. Lots of plug sockets in here as well. And then we are a little bit in the dark because the electric's not on at the moment. But you've got your ensuite bathroom here. So you've got your heated towel rail, your toilet, your basin. And this one actually comes with a bath. All the others only come with a shower. So this is the one with the only bathtub with a shower overhead as well. Okay, so like I say, this is probably my favourite in the building, so I do think this one will get snapped up quite quickly. Viewings are available now. You know, you're more than welcome to come and view them as they stand. I do expect these houses to go quite quickly, just because of where they are. Obviously, they're 2 minutes away from the town centre. You've got Morrison's just around the corner as well. So yeah, if you'd like to book a viewing for these ones or for any of the properties that we've got, feel free to give me a call. It's 01429 363636. Thank you.